Are you ready to study in the United States without paying any application fee or writing any exams? Yes, you heard that right. This fully automatic scholarship requires no SAT, no ACT, and no TOEFL. Yet, it offers you a chance to study at a top US university in 2026. Welcome back, my lovely friends, and thank you for always clicking that play button whenever I share a new video. And if you are new to this channel, thank you for dropping by. I love you. This university makes applying completely free, with no compulsory essays or letters of recommendation required. Since it costs absolutely nothing to apply, make sure to submit applications to as many programs as possible for better chances. In this video, I will guide you through the eligibility criteria, selection process, and step-by-step instructions to submit a successful application. Make sure to stay to the end. You do not want to miss this one. So come along with me. We are on the official website of Fairleigh Dickinson University. Now, this university is a private university that is located in New Jersey. Their main campus is in New Jersey, United States of America. And we are going to look at their scholarship programs for both undergraduate and graduate students. Now they have a very impressive acceptance rate. So as of 2023, this university has got an acceptance rate of 95.9%, which includes international students. So we will take a look at how you can apply for their scholarship programs and also to take advantage of this opportunity. Now we are on the page for the undergraduate programs. You can see that they do have different programs for undergraduate students. You do have a variety of courses or programs to choose from. You've got animation, arts, biology. It doesn't matter if you are in the science field or art field, there is something for everyone. Also, if you are in the medical field, you've got nursing, mathematics, graphic design, sports management, social sciences, psychology, and counseling. And the beautiful thing about this is that you can actually study for free in this university as an international student. Basically, if you choose any of your preferred course here, you would get a scholarship that would cover your tuition, your funds. So make sure that you select this, and we will go through how they could waive the application fee. So now you can see that a $50 application fee waiver, making applying quick and easy. So they would waive this for you. All right. So basically you can see that it's totally free to apply, free application. You see that? So it's totally free to apply. And then the application requirements, you can apply through the common app. Use the button below. The transcript from your former schools, your previous institution or high school. Fairleigh Dickinson University is a rolling admissions institution. So what that means is that you can apply any time of the year. You do not have a particular deadline per se. That's a beautiful thing about this university that I do really love. So we are on the page for scholarships for international students. Scholarships for international students. So FDU offers a range of merit scholarships for our international undergraduate students. And now, what's the scholarship conditions? Must submit a complete FDU application. So you can click on that. They're on their online. That's on their website. This is an online application for admission, so you can do it both ways, either the common app or their online application. I would go through that with you shortly. And so you can also see awarded at the time of admission. This means that your scholarship will be awarded to you when you get your admission when you receive your admission into the school at the same time, and will not increase once awarded. So the scholarship is going to be a consistent one, then awarded per year. So fall and spring semesters, you're going to have this scholarship awarded. Now, renewable, this is really great. Renewable based on continued full-time enrollment. So based on your performance, this scholarship is going to be renewed every year for the particular duration of your program, either 3 or 4 years. And it says that maintaining a good GPA and remain in good standing at FDU. So you need to study so that you can maintain a good GPA during your course of study. On that basis is when you will get your scholarship renewed every year. Okay, so let's explore their scholarships, the different kind of scholarships that they do have. International undergraduate freshman scholarships. Now they have the FDU International Scholarship. The FDU International Scholarships up to $24,000 per year. So you need to have it's based on academic merit, and SAT and ACT not required. You see, that's beautiful. So you do not need to bother yourself about any test. Renewable up to 4 years. Then the next one is the Global Housing Grant. They also provide that to a housing grant to live on the campus, metropolitan campus of the university. And this is also based on academic merit, and everything is going to be covered. Recipient can still qualify for merit-based scholarships, and this is going to be renewable up to 2 years. That's $3,000 to cover your accommodation. You've got the family grants as well. You've got $1,500 for families with 2 or more dependent children, so that also covers it. A maximum of $1,500 will be awarded per person for up to 4 years for undergraduates. That's great. Recipients can still qualify for merit-based scholarship. So even though you are on this family-based scholarship, you can still qualify. Then they've got Children of Alumni Grant, $1,500. So if you're a student and you have a child that's studying, you've got a scholarship as well for dependent children of FDU alumni, renewable up to 4 years for undergraduates. So that's beautiful. And they've got the athletic scholarships. If you are into sports, you've got your full tuition and housing covered. So this is beautiful. Make sure you go through all the scholarships and see the one that is applicable to you. And you also have the undergraduate transfer scholarships. If you are transferring from another university, there are a couple of scholarships right here. Make sure that you click on the one that's more suitable for you. You see the Phi Theta Kappa scholarship, and you can also, this is renewable up to 2 years. And here you also have the FDU International Transfer Scholarship, and here you have up to $16,000 yearly. You have the FDU Family Grant, so just click on this plus sign. And also we have the graduate scholarships. Now if you're a graduate student, you've got a scholarship as well. See, go through it. Children of Alumni Grant, and these scholarships are renewable, and these ones are renewable as a graduate student for up to 2 years for graduate students. So you can apply through the common application, that's the common app, or the FDU transfer app. This is spring and fall freshman application. Then this is for transfer students. This is freshman, and this is for transfer students. Now we'll take a look at the application requirements, and then we'll come back to see how to go through the common app. I'll show that to you. Now these are the application requirements. The common application, you use the button below, all right, to apply. So there's a common app. Then the test scores, standardized test scores are optional, so you do not need a SAT or ACT, GRE, or an IELTS, except for several partnership programs where they will be required, but You're going straight into the actual program. Transcripts, they need your official high school transcripts. They are required. Remember, this is an undergraduate program, so your high school transcripts are required. Then essays, resumes, and recommendation letters. These supplemental items are optional but welcome. So what that literally means is that you do not need to submit an essay or resume or a recommendation letter, but if you do have them, it's fine, you can submit them. But if you do not, there's no problem at all. You could still be admitted into the university. Interviews. Scheduling a one-on-one interview is optional, so you do not need to sweat over an interview because there would not be an interview. It is optional if you want it or not. If you do want to have an interview, it is fine, you could have it. But if you're not interested in it, then no worries. Deadlines. Fairleigh Dickinson University is a rolling admissions institution. Remember, I mentioned that earlier, that it's a rolling admission. So what that means is that you do not have a particular date or time, like a deadline, a particular deadline. So you can apply any time of the year during the fall, springtime. Now, the common application, it's really easy. If you want to go through the common application, you see, so this is the Fairleigh Dickinson University. Apply for first year, apply for transfer. So if you're applying for first year, you click on here. If you're applying for a transfer, you click on here. You see? Then you can also use this opportunity to read about this beautiful university that you can study for free without any essay, recommendation letter, or resumes. Fairleigh Dickinson University is the largest private institution in New Jersey. So this is located in New Jersey in the United States. So this is a prestigious university, and you can see accepts first year applicants, okay, and transfer as well. All right, see, no personal essay required, no letter of recommendation required, test optional. So you do not need to submit any standardized tests like ACT, GRE, IELTS, TOEFL, and charges no application fee. Can you see that? No letter of recommendation. Also, both for freshmen and transfer students, it's applicable to all of you. So these are the programs that I went through with you at the beginning of the video. So this is a wonderful opportunity I think you should take. So you could either decide to go through, but I think if you're applying for an undergraduate, you should go straight through the Common App. It is more easier and it is straightforward to go through the Common App if you're applying as an undergraduate student. If you are applying as a graduate student, then you can go through the online. So this is actually how to navigate through the university to apply. So that's how to navigate in applying to Fairleigh Dickinson University. If you found value in this video, don't stop here. Watch the next video that will be displayed on your screen shortly to learn how you can study at the top UK university with a £20,000 stipend, and you can study towards your master's or PhD as well as a combined master's and PhD program. Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever a new scholarship drops. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more opportunities and updates from my latest YouTube videos. And if you get selected for the scholarship, please share your testimony. I absolutely love hearing them. Until next time, think big, think success.